Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto apple blondies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you need a half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, a half a cup of Wowbutter, a fourth cup of some kind of flour substitute. I'm using Carbquik, 3 to 4 tablespoons, which is also a fourth a cup, of some kind of maple syrup that's sugar-free. Then you need 1 tablespoon of apple pie spice, and then optional is a fourth cup of some kind of sweetener of your choice. I'm using Monkfruit. That's to sprinkle on the top. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll preheat our oven to 350 and line an 8x8 or 9x9 baking pan with parchment paper and set it to the side. All right, just add everything to a large bowl, and we are just going to mix that with an electric mixer. Now we are just going to scrape this down with a spatula and pour it into our prepared pan. Okay, I spread my batter out, and the batter is thick, but it spreads very thin in your pan because you don't have a lot of it. So now I'm going to take my 1/4 cup of monk fruit or whatever kind of sweetener you want to use, and I'm just going to put that over top of the whole thing. Now let's go ahead and pop this in the oven for 30 minutes. My apple pie blondies just came out of the oven and they smell amazing, but we are going to have to let them cool completely and then refrigerate them for 1 hour before we slice into them. All right, my bars have cooled and I went ahead and cut them into 9 bars here, and they smell and taste amazing. I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. And according to my calculations, they're about a little less than 5 carbs each. All right, we have one of the apple pie blondies here for Taste Tester to taste. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.